Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy to have you back with me. So today I'm just going to do a quick recap of today's action. And so we had quite the eventful day. On the future side, which I'm reviewing first, I got three trades in. And essentially usually the day after FOMC, there's a little bit of choppiness, which can cause problems. So today we managed to make a loss for $100. So it's not too bad, but nevertheless, it's a loss within risk management rules. And so actually in the beginning you'll see in the highlights, so my first trade I got in around this high volume node on the market profile levels that I marked on my charts, and then it just around noon it just blasted through my fade trade, which I was buying. It just sold off for a bit, and then I got back in, and then I got stopped out, then I got back in, and I went for, if I'm not mistaken, for 1.5 points, and then from there I just did another small scalp trade on the retracement here. And so ever since then, price just went sideways with a bullish bias, but you'll see it in the highlights. That's the futures action. So with my Pound Aussie Forex trade, it actually turned out to be a winner today. So I got about 12 pips in. So this is about the 10 a.m. morning area. So today momentum was bullish. If you had entered, if you're in my Fiverr program and you had entered earlier on using the some of the confirmations I give you, you would have probably gone for around 50 pips. I wait usually after this area to for more confirmation, and then I do my fading trades based on market profile levels. And so I faded it right here, and it went for, I think it was I entered 1.83382, then I exited 1.83251. so 1.83382 to about 1.83251. Yeah, it's about 12 pips. So I got this red candle move right here. I caught that red candle move for 12 pips, and then I exited, and then it went bullish for a while, then it went sideways, and now it's going bullish again. Oh, now it's pretty strong bullish. But yeah, these pairs can be sideways, and then they can go up pretty dramatically if they move. So if you catch them on the right side, you can catch good pips. It's 9:33 in the evening, and so I couldn't do any pound New Zealand trade. I usually trade the pound New Zealand in the evening. So this evening I was just too swamped with work to do any kind of trading. But nevertheless, I got those action in the morning, which you'll see in the highlights. And so this way, again, on the future side, Our loss for $100 is about it's manageable loss within money management rules. And you'll see our initial loss was 200, and then I recouped with some winning trades to recoup some losses, and then net for the day is minus $100. Of course, there's about $12 commission that's going to be taken off of this as well, which would be for three contracts traded. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Nothing else to report on. And then what I'll do is I'll see if I can do more trading tomorrow morning, and then I'll upload those action, and then we'll go from there. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys coming back to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.